Early man versus modern man. What is early man? According to the evolution process, the early man has originated from ape-like ancestors. The fossil evidence shows that the first human originated in Africa between 6 to 2 million years ago. The human characteristic of walking on two legs originated over 4 million years ago. The early man moved from Africa to Asia between 2 and 1.8 million years ago. The evolution of man occurred due to the natural changes that emerged during their adaptation to the environment to survive. Early man was a wanderer, who moved and walked from one place to another aimlessly. He was either a gatherer or hunter, who obtained food from foraging rather than farming. The early man covered his body by tree leaves or animal skin. He used to hunt animals for food and lived in caves. He used tools like sharpened bones, spears, and sharp stones to kill large animals for food. Then, he discovered fire by sparks coming out from rubbing stones. Ultimately, the early man started agriculture, and his first civilization began about 12,000 years ago. The early man lived with nature and sustainably utilized the natural resources. He lived in tribes, had family units while some were nomadic. He had very simple lifestyles with primary hunting methods and simply sheltered houses. The early man followed spiritual beliefs more often. Early man did not have a proper method of communication and travel. What is modern man? Modern man belongs to the human species, Homo sapiens. The behavioral and physical modernity discriminates modern man from early man. This behavioral modernity of the modern man is characterized by cultural diversity, planning depth, abstract thinking, and symbolic expressions such as art and music. Homo sapiens were originated 200,000 to 100,000 years ago in Africa and southern Asia. The ancestors of modern man are Neanderthal and Denisovan. The modern man still has the DNA of those ancestors. The genes of Neanderthal are present in modern man and are associated with disease conditions like Crohn's disease, type 2 diabetes, and lupus. The modern man produces his food himself with farming. He is aware of domestication and has a settled lifestyle. Also, modern man shares different cultures among continents and countries. Modern man has improved the technologies, thus removing the physical barriers of isolation from each other. He has developed the methods of travel and transport over oceans and even through aerial routes. Modern communication techniques include the internet, emailing, social networking, and telephones communication. Hence, the lifestyle of the modern man is complex. The population of modern man is increasing day by day. Difference between early man and modern man. Early man is that stage of human evolution which refers to the ancestors of the current figures of the human race, whereas the modern man is the subspecies of Homo sapiens. Early man freely moved and was a wanderer. On the flip side, modern man has a settled life in a particular residence. Early man was a hunter and forager. Conversely, modern man is a food producer. The sensation of early man was limited to his immediate surroundings. On the other hand, technology, the sensation of the modern man is widened through technology. Early man originated 6 million years ago while modern originated 200,000 to 100,000 years ago. Early man originated from ape-like ancestors. Early man has very fewer means of communication, whereas modern man is more advanced in technology and communication. Main difference. The main difference between the early man and the modern man is that the early man refers to the hominids who are the predecessors of the present form of the human race, and modern man is the subspecies of Homo sapiens. Conclusion. Early man and modern man are the two stages of human evolution with the difference of various physical and behavioral characteristics. Early man gradually transformed into the modern man. Thanks for watching.